and interviewing you. I will ask you one question, sir, regarding for the presidential candidate in my country. We have 4 candidates. We have Miriam Santiago, the girl. We have Rudy Duterte, is a man. We have Binay, I don't know his name. And we have Maruhas. For this 4 candidates for president, which one you have a vision that will be the good president in my country?
Of course, Duterte,
Duterte. Why Duterte?
because he's my what is it called? He's my man. I love Davao, and since he's from there, okay, and the way he is, so I'll go for him all the way.
You will support Duterte all the way.
Of course.
So good luck, sir. Thank you. We wish also Duterte will win. Ma'am, who is your president?
First Miriam.
Then
Pero,
why you change your president?
ay kasi tumakbo si Duterte, kay Duterte na lang ako.
So ito po, solid Duterte kami. Good igong.
Go, go, go!
Pero pag hindi tumakbo si Duterte, Miriam po kayo.
Miriam ako. Since mga bata pa kasi Ilonggo kami, so we support talaga Miriam. Pero nung tumakbo si Duterte, ewan ko lang, lahat yata ng uncle ko, nakikita ko puro Duterte na sila ngayon. Kaya Duterte solid kami.
O sige, pag hindi tumakbo si Duterte, Miriam din.
Miriam.
Parito din tayo. Ito po si Anjo Ampek, yung reporter na nakatid sa inyo ng mga nakakalugan, nakakawindang at may katotohanan ng balita. Hindi ako makahinga.